Hello guys, today I will show you how to use video call and audio call WhatsApp on PC. First, go to site, download this emulator for install WhatsApp app. Now install it. Then go this link, I will drop it in description to download WhatsApp app as a APK. Now take APK WhatsApp and drop it in emulator like this. And here we go. Now just add your WhatsApp. Here we go guys. Now let's try it. So guys, don't forget subscribe and like, it will help me so much.